Hello and welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the TMP group. My name is Tom and today is Friday. It is December 31st, 2021. Happy New Year to all. Hope that we all have had a good day so far today and that we have had a prosperous 2021 and looking forward to a very prosperous 2022. Before I jump into the video, I do want to remind you that I am not a financial advisor. The TMP group, we are not licensed brokers or licensed traders. We're simply individuals that have committed ourselves to building portfolios, and we're trying to create generational wealth, not only for ourselves, but for our friends and our family, those around us, because we do believe that the best way to become wealthy is to help others. And that's the purpose of this channel. Today's video, I'm going to go into 10 stocks that I firmly believe are a must in anyone's portfolio, and especially if you're a new trader or a new investor, a beginning investor, don't know where to put your money. I want to give you just a primary level of research and thought on these stocks and point you in the direction, and hopefully that I'll inspire you to either come along with us on our core holdings or find your own and become convicted in the stocks that you have. So when we have red days in the market, we don't worry about it. We know that our stocks will bounce back. I do want to thank everyone for, like I said, stopping in. If you like what you hear today, give me a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel and you want to hear more from us, hit the subscribe button and share with your friends and your family. Again, we are committed to building generational wealth. We're not looking to get rich quick. We're looking to become wealthy over time. Okay, so as the thumbnail said, here's 10 stocks that we believe are a must to anchor anyone's portfolio. And again, if you're just starting out and you don't have the money to invest heavily into these stocks, there's a link down below to two platforms that allow you to do fractional shares. One is Robinhood. Sign up with them. You can do fractional shares. You can also buy cryptocurrency there. You sign up and make a deposit. They give you some free stock. They give me some free stock. I have another link that's set up to Webull. It's kind of the same situation there. You can also purchase fractional shares there. And they're both great platforms, very easy to use. My main account and the head TMP account is TD Ameritrade. That's where our core holdings are. But we often will make trades in personal accounts such as Robinhood and Webull. So links are down below. So when building a portfolio, there's no right or wrong way to do it. Just like the Nike slogan says, we want to just do it. So it doesn't matter if you're investing $5, $50, $500, $5,000, $50,000, $500,000. Invest something, start somewhere, and start creating that generational wealth. So which stocks are we looking at today we want to talk about? I'm going to give you 10, not in any particular order, but 10 that we feel are core holdings. These are buy and hold stocks. And when I say buy and hold, we're not looking to trade these stocks. We do have a long time horizon on them. You can pick and choose your own time horizon. But if you look back on every single one of these charts and you zoom out and you do a 3 to 5 year, you will see that these charts, that these stocks have done very, very well. Okay, so the first of the top 10 stocks that we believe should anchor every portfolio, in my opinion, and my opinion only, is Apple. We love Apple here. We continue to dollar cost average into Apple. We believe that Apple has a very bright future, especially with the iPhone 13, the 5G plays. It's a consumer product company, it's a technology company, and we know that Apple is committed to getting into electric vehicles. And once the metaverse, or as the metaverse progresses, we believe that Apple will play a big part in the metaverse. So we like Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. All right, number 2 on the list of the best stocks to buy or best stocks to have in top 10 in your portfolio to anchor your portfolio is one of my favorites, if not my very favorite, which is Nvidia. Trades under ticker symbol NVDA. Now, Nvidia is a semiconductor company. It's a chip maker. Jensen Huang, in my opinion, is a genius. He has such great foresight on artificial intelligence. He is committed to being the best of breed when it comes to these semiconductor stocks. Now, we do know, or semiconductor companies, we know there's been a semiconductor shortage. That shortage will not last forever. When you have a shortage, what does a shortage create? It creates demand. When the supply is low and the demand is high, we believe that the semiconductors will do very well, and we believe that Nvidia is best in breed. So we like Nvidia. We hear the dogs barking, that means people are coming home. All right. Next on my list for the top 10 best stocks to have in your portfolio or anchor your portfolio, pardon me, is PayPal. And PayPal is a fintech or financial tech play. PayPal was trading not too long ago at 300, and now it's sitting below 200. And we love PayPal, of course, with this extension in Venmo. PayPal is an open-ended payment service. It's helping small businesses, and we think PayPal is a great stock to anchor your portfolio with right now. Check out ticker symbol PYPL. PayPal is definitely a stock that has performed as an asset. It's a good growth company, and again, our opinion is that we want PayPal to be one of our anchor stocks that we dollar cost average into. All right, moving on from PayPal to Disney, ticker symbol DIS. Here is a perfect example of a beaten down stock, but not a broken company. We know Disney has had tons of problems due to the coronavirus, opening, reopening, now with Omicron and other variants of the virus. It's affected their cruise business, it's affected their parks, but Disney is a solid company, solid fundamentals, has a great balance sheet. It's trading well below its 200-day moving average. We love Disney at this price. We have Disney, we hold Disney as a core holding. We'll continue to add into Disney and look forward to the reopening with Disney. I'm not sure how big of an effect that Boba Fett will have on the streaming service, but Disney Plus is definitely a streaming service that's adding members and adding subscribers. And so we do think that Disney is a buy and hold stock. We put it into our list of the top 10 stocks to anchor your portfolio. Now, the stock that we're going to talk about next is very different than Disney. And it is a financial stock, trades under ticker symbol GS for Goldman Sachs. Now, why do we like the financials right now and think that Goldman Sachs is one of the top 10 stocks to anchor a portfolio? The Fed, over the past 2 years, has been flooding money into the economy. The government has been putting stimulus into the economy, and the easy money is drying up. Well, what happens once the easy money dries up? Where do people have to go? Where do businesses have to go? Where do other banks have to go to get their money? Goldman Sachs is a player. They're one of the top players. And as rates rise, as money becomes more expensive and more scarce, Goldman Sachs stands to benefit. Goldman Sachs at this price is a bargain. It's a steal. Take a look at Goldman Sachs, ticker symbol GS. There's a financial. The financial should do very, very well in 2022. All right. Next, two stocks I want to talk about are polar opposites. First one is Facebook. The next one will be Home Depot. Facebook trades under ticker symbol FB, and Facebook now is called Meta. Facebook is one of the largest technology companies out there. It has one of the largest subscriber bases, and it has committed to basically pioneer its way into the metaverse, and thus it changed its name to Meta. So definitely believe that the C-suite there knows what they're doing. There was a big change in the company and changing it from Facebook to Meta, and so they're committed, they're all in. We believe that Facebook is definitely a top 10 stock to anchor your portfolio. Home Depot, ticker symbol HD, consumer goods. Who hasn't been to Home Depot lately? Not many of us. Home Depot continues to thrive in any economy. And Home Depot is a solid company. It's got solid fundamentals. It's got a great balance sheet. Home Depot will continue to be a core holding of the TMP group. Some people like Lowe's versus Home Depot. I say that you've got about a 53-47 shot with one or the other. I put the 53% on Home Depot. Home Depot continues to grow. They continue to innovate. And the pros continue to shop at Home Depot. So we definitely want Home Depot in as a core holding, as an anchor stock, and one of our top 10 stocks to build a portfolio. All right, moving on to Home Depot. I'm going to give you a couple of tech plays, and actually the third is a tech slash EV play. But the first of these three tech plays that we want to have in our portfolio to anchor our portfolio is Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. And the reasons are too many why we like Microsoft. Microsoft is very aggressive. You really can't go anywhere in technology, in anything to do with computers, whether it's the internet or infrastructure for businesses, without having Microsoft involved. Microsoft, again, solid company, solid fundamentals, been around forever, great growth stock. Take a look at the chart, zoom out for 5 years, see what Microsoft has done, and you'll see why we put Microsoft in as one of our top 10 stocks to anchor a portfolio. Right alongside with Microsoft, we love Intel. Intel is, when you think of Intel, at least I think of Intel, I think of Intel chips. Again, that's a play on the semiconductor shortage, which we know will come out of eventually, and it may be another year, maybe 18 months. But if we're looking to build generational wealth, we want Intel to be part of it because we know that it's Intel inside, and Intel is innovative. The one that I want to talk about right now is Tesla, TSLA. Okay, and unless you've been living under a rock somewhere, you don't know what's going on with Tesla. Tesla is best in breed in electric vehicle. Elon Musk is so far ahead of everyone else, and everyone's trying to play catch up. Yes, we like other EV stocks, but if we're looking for an anchor stock, a stock that we can buy, we can set in our portfolio and not worry about the price inflection, not worry about volatility, Tesla is the anchor for EVs. And it's also, along with being an electric vehicle company, it's a technology company. The technology that Tesla has is so far advanced. And the group at Tesla continues to innovate. They continue to bring forward new and exciting products and programs. So we definitely want to have Tesla as one of our top 10 stocks to anchor our portfolio for 2022. Now, let's take the last couple of minutes to talk about how to build that portfolio. If you're just starting out and you're a beginner and you have nothing, like I said, check out the links below, sign up for an account, sign up for any account, I don't care which one it is, and start investing in these companies. If you're dollar cost averaging and you're not buying full shares and you're buying fractional shares, take a look and see what your budget is. Find 10 stocks that you can budget $10 a week to. So it's $100 a week. Or find 10 stocks that you can budget $50 a day to, and it's $250 a week. Find 10 stocks that you can do the same thing and put $100 a day at $500 a week. Okay? It doesn't really matter what you put in, just put something in and be consistent with it. Pay yourself. We always like to say that the best investment that you can make is an investment in yourself. The best gamble that you can take is a bet on yourself. There's going to be high times, there's going to be low times, but if you have solid anchor stocks that are holding down your positions, you can sleep well at night because you know that after the dip comes the rip. If a stock is trading sideways, the wider the base, the higher it goes into space. If you're a seasoned investor and you're investing in these stocks, let me know down in the comments which ones you like. If you're a new investor and you're looking to get in and you're looking for some help, leave me something down in the comments. I'll be willing to help anyone that needs help. I don't have a Discord. I don't ask for money. I'm not trying to do any of that. I just want to see people prosper. It's an amazing sight to see someone that starts with $100 and at the end of the year they have $5,000 saved in the stock market. They never have $5,000 in the bank. Or someone that puts $5,000 in the stock market and they have $25,000 at the end of the year. You can build a portfolio. Again, if you like what you heard today, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I do appreciate hanging out till the end of the video. I hope everyone has a very prosperous 2022. 2021 was very nice to us. In 2022, I hear a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt that it's going to be a hard time to make money in the market. If you listen to Jim Cramer, he says there's always a bull market somewhere. And I love that tag because there's always opportunity. We just have to be looking for the opportunity. Thanks, guys, for stopping in. Hope everyone has a great new year, and I'll see you on the next video.